Pippa, hello girl. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Now, this little sweetheart is around 8 years old. Pippa is such a delightful little character and she's an absolute joy to spend time with. While she may be a little shy initially, she soon wants to make friends and she's a super friendly and affectionate little girl. Pippa will happily sit on your knee and enjoy all the love and fussing. She does purr a lot and will sometimes chat to you as well, letting out little squeaks, which makes her all the more endearing. Pippa does have a history of skin allergies. This is currently under control and her skin is looking much better, but it is something that may require treatment in the future if she does have any flare-ups. Whilst Pippa has been used to living with lots of other cats in the past, she would really benefit from being the leading lady in your life and having all the love and attention she deserves all for herself. Pippa really would make such a lovely little companion, and we're sure there's someone out there with a space in their heart and home to offer a special girl like Pippa the second chance she deserves.